What are high-level and low-level computer languages? Low-level languages. Low-level languages are computer languages that are closest to the hardware. They allow direct communication with the CPU and memory, giving precise instructions that the hardware can execute immediately. Characteristics. Closest to computer hardware. Communicate directly with CPU and memory. Very fast execution speed. Provide precise hardware instructions. Difficult for humans to read and write. Require knowledge of computer architecture. Purpose. To provide direct control over computer hardware. To execute instructions with maximum speed and efficiency. To manage system resources like memory and CPU precisely. To develop operating systems, device drivers, and embedded systems. To enable programmers to write code that interacts closely with hardware architecture. Types of low-level languages. 1. Machine language. The most basic language, written in binary, zeros and ones. Directly understood by the computer's CPU. Very fast execution but extremely difficult for humans to read and write. Hardware specific, meaning programs may not run on different types of machines. 2. Assembly language. Uses symbolic codes, mnemonics, instead of raw binary, e.g., MOV, ADD. Easier to read and write compared to machine language. Requires an assembler to translate into machine code. Provides more control over hardware and is often used in system programming, device drivers, and embedded systems. High-level languages. High-level languages are computer languages that are closer to human language. They are designed to be easy to read, write, and understand, allowing programmers to focus on problem-solving rather than hardware details. Characteristics. Closer to human language and easy to understand. Abstract away hardware details. Portable across different computer systems. Slower execution compared to low-level languages, since they need translation, require compilers or interpreters to convert into machine code. Suitable for developing complex applications and software systems. Purpose. To make programming easier and more understandable for humans. To allow developers to focus on problem solving rather than hardware details. To enable portability of programs across different computer systems. To support the development of complex applications and software systems. To improve productivity by reducing coding effort and time. To provide abstraction and simplify interaction with hardware through compilers or interpreters. Types of high-level languages. 1. Procedural languages. Focus on step-by-step instructions and procedures. Examples: C, Pascal, Fortran. 2. Object-oriented languages. OOP. Organize code around objects, data plus behavior. Promote modularity and reusability. Examples: Java, C++, Python. Functional languages. Treat computation as the evaluation of mathematical functions. Emphasize immutability and avoiding side effects. Examples: Haskell, Lisp, Scala. 4. Scripting languages. Often used for automation, web development, and quick prototyping. Typically interpreted rather than compiled. Examples: JavaScript, PHP, Ruby, Python. 5. Logic-based languages. Based on formal logic and rules. Commonly used in AI and knowledge representation. Example: Prolog. Thank you for watching.